Hi there, we are unboxing Ember's Fairy Wings, which is a Project MC2 Steam Netflix. Ask a parent or guardian or an adult before watching, doing, buying, or opening things or using scissors. Always ask permission before you do something. Trust me, it's the better way to do things. And if you need help, don't be afraid to ask. Oh gosh, I hope I didn't do anything stupid. Okay, let's see if we can get her out yet. A tiny bit. Really? I tried to follow the dot line. That apparently was a terrible idea because it just messed everything up. Yeah. Maybe don't do the back, even though it says to. It's a lot harder than it looks to get this type of stuff open. Surprised. A tiny bit surprised, not completely. We're getting there, sort of. Holy moly. Not only is it like child-proof or steel-proof, it's like can't get you open-proof. Okay, why aren't you cutting? Come on, let me cut you. Ugh. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm having an argument with scissors here. See, this is not going over well. I'm trying to unbox this and holy moly, it is like almost impossible. Look at this. This is like almost like nearly darn impossible. I said darn, by the way, to get this out. Come on. Oh my goodness. I said unboxing. I didn't mean like forever unboxing, but apparently it's like forever unboxing. Clearly I haven't unboxed many things lately. What you've seen. Okay, how do I cut you? No, no, no. Okay. Well, we're getting there, sort of. I guess. I mean, this is like impossible almost. Come on, get off of here. This is like really a horrible unboxing. I'm really trying low. Ah! Oh, come on. Okay, we're gonna really hang on. I need to put your hair in with this so we don't accidentally cut it. Okay, now you want to work. Boy. Oi! Why is this so hard? Hey, I actually got a piece. It's unusual, but hey. Oof. Okay, who puts these in here? It's like almost impossible to get the stuff out. Okay, this is like getting really hard to do. Oof. Who suggested it doing this way? Like, this is like, oh no, you guys disappeared. Bad computer. Bad, bad, bad. Sorry about that. My computer apparently hates me right now. So does this toy. This toy really hates me. Oh, forget it. I'm doing it the normal way. Oh. No. Ah. Come on, you. Yes. Click on the next video and we will try to get her out of this box. So go ahead and click and you'll see more of this.